अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, कैसे हैं आप लोग। मैं औरंगज़ेब चैनल लव पॉइंट में आपको वेलकम करता हूं। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है पाकिस्तान। जी, बहुत सारे मुल्कों में बहुत सारे अलग ख्यालात हैं पाकिस्तान के बारे में। कुछ अच्छा सोचते हैं, कुछ अलग थिंकिंग है, कुछ नेगेटिव सोचते हैं। तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक जो है वो इसी हवाले से है। तो आज हम आपको बताएंगे पाकिस्तान के बारे में, क्योंकि मैं खुद पाकिस्तानी हूँ, तो आई प्राउड भी है पाकिस्तानी। तो कोई अगर मेरी कंट्री के बारे में कुछ गलत बोलता है या कुछ और सोचता है तो वो ये मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता। तो आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि पाकिस्तान के बारे में। तो एक डैनियल बिस्की ने पाकिस्तान का विज़िट किया है, जो इस टूर के बारे में आपको बताएंगे। तो बिना वक्त ज़ाया किए मैं आपको ये वीडियो दिखाता हूँ। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
3, 2, 1. Welcome to Pakistan!
This is what Pakistan is really like. Caring, friendly, and hospitable people. But for decades, this country has received a horrible reputation across global media. One terror event happens and people assume that all 215 million people in Pakistan are terrorists. I received thousands of messages before my trip here, mostly from Americans and Indians who warned me to be extra careful for my safety. And so I arrived here a bit nervous.
What's up, guys? We have just arrived in Pakistan.
But then immediately realized that everyone is wrong. It's a shame that this country doesn't get much positive attention, because what I've been experiencing goes beyond words. So just to demonstrate that Pakistan is safe and free of terrorists, I've decided to fully expose myself by doing a public meetup today in Karachi. I announced it yesterday all over my Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, inviting anyone to join me from 4 to 6 p.m. at a huge public park.
I am Wasim Akhtar, Mayor of Karachi.
I even met the mayor of Karachi to get his permission. As a mega city with 25 million people, Karachi has every kind of human soul on the planet. Rich and poor, happy and sad, old and young, right? So if there are any terrorists here who really want to kill this white, Jewish, American, red-headed guy, then he'd probably show up at the meetup. Okay, we are arriving now at the meetup. Deanna has an amazing henna tattoo art on her arm, and I'm super excited to meet all you guys.
How would you give an advice for someone who's novice at making videos?
It was an amazing afternoon with over 200 people who dropped by, including a special appearance from the mayor himself. I'm in the middle of a Karachi meetup and the mayor showed up.
Oh man.
Hi, how are you? Good to see you again.
How are you?
Great. We talked about traveling the world, my experiences in Pakistan, and then I was touched by hearing all of their stories.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Īmān Ibrahim and I have been to 22 countries.
Hi guys, my name is Anam. I'm a female traveler from Pakistan and I've been to 24 countries.
So this is Shari Reza. I'm a Sydney-based traveler, Pakistani traveler, and I've been to 28 countries.
This really happened today in Pakistan, and I could not be any happier. So did I survive? Hell yes. Did I get kidnapped or shot at? Absolutely not. We are just wrapping up the meetup here. It's been incredible. What did you think, man?
It was amazing, bro.
Everyone's so friendly.
Yeah.
They give me so many gifts. I have like 10 gifts. I don't even know how to bring it on the plane to Lahore. But I just want to let you guys know that Pakistanis are some of the warmest, most hospitable people I've ever met in this world. And you guys have to come to Pakistan. Do me a favor and come to this country and you'll see what it's like for yourself.
Pakistan Zindabad!
My first bite of biryani. I've been looking forward to this moment for a long time. That is the best biryani I've ever had, hands down. Like, no joke, man. If there's one thing I learned so far about Pakistanis, they are very proud of their biryani. An orangey yellow flavored rice dish with meat and super spicy. It's always the best from a street food vendor. Pakala is a popular local drink that I've never heard of until now. It's like an ice cream flavored cream soda, and it's really good when mixed with milk.
It's a combination of pakola and milk, which is quite popular in Karachi.
Cheers, cheers. Minty. For dessert, I randomly bumped into this ice cream man in the street. Impromptu ice cream because this gentleman just came up on the street, and I found out it's 20 rupees, which is like 10 cents. Others.
How is it?
Caramel. or brown sugar.
पानी आ गया.
Pakistanis often wear slippers instead of shoes, so I wanted to get a pair to fit in.
कौन से बोले कह रहे कौन चप्पल चाहिए आपको?
सस्ता वाला कौन सा?
How much are they?
हाँ ये?
Cool. I'll take them. Boom.
Your countries?
I'm from America.
America.
USA.
I love seeing the men wearing the traditional hats around town, so I decided to dive in and get one.
This is Peshawari cap.
So with the help of my buddy Daniel, we negotiated the price down to 300 rupees, which is like $2. This guy behind me just told me that it looked like a Khan, which is a northern Pakistani guy with my hat on.
Thank you.
The local buses in Karachi are the most colorful, decorative, and symbolic in the world. And I can't come here without riding one. I've seen the buses have these little like poems on it. What is it? What does it talk about?
It talks about something motivational stuff. It could be funny. It could be romantic as well. So they're like poems.
You go first.
Let's go. Let's go.
Riding the bus in Karachi. Kind of hot and sweaty in here, but it's fun. Yes, we conquered the bus.
We did it, man.
We conquered it. Okay, now where the are we? We're in the middle of a busy intersection. Garbage can, sugar cane right here. Right in the middle of everything. Sugarcane juice, one of my personal favorites, is a famous drink in town. This stall looks like they know what they're doing. Damn, that is good.
It's 20 rupees per glass, which is less than 15 cents actually.
I can't visit any country without buying the flag, and I just found the shop that sells it, so let's go inside. Hey man, how's it going? Can I get a Pakistan flag, please? Yeah. How much?
200.
200? Yeah. So actually it's really cool in Pakistan. I found out that you don't have to pay with cash. You can use this app called Easy Pesa, and it's super simple. There you go. We're riding in a rickshaw right now. It's super cheap, only a few cents, heading a couple blocks away. And it's just a great way to get around town. Hopefully I don't get my camera stolen or drop it. Shukriya. It's been a while since I've had a haircut, and it's cheap here, so we're gonna do it. Can you have like a 3? Yeah, 3. It's just this much shorter, but keep everything the same style. Okay. That's really short. Oh my god.
All right, Drew, how's it going?
So far, not great, because he shaved off almost completely my sides, which I didn't want. But I have a speech in front of 500 people in like a week, and now my hair is messed up.
Food break?
Yeah, he's like, oh, let's take a break and get food in the middle of the haircut. Like, you should just do it before the haircut or after, not in the middle. So it's definitely the worst haircut I've ever gotten, but I guess that's what you get for $1. It's sunset here. We've made it to the beautiful beach of Karachi. It's an amazing vibe around here. I was just interviewed on TV, and I just realized I've only spent 1,000 rupees so far. It's only like $7.15. I still need to spend 400 more rupees, so we're here on the beach. We're gonna ride some camels, get a beautiful shot during sunset, and let's go. Just hold on. It's like a ride at the...
Camel ride.
Oh my god!
That's okay, it's normal, it's normal. Okay!
ये पाकिस्तान की खूबसूरती.
Shoulders. I'm getting a massage on the street for $1. It actually feels pretty good.
It's good?
Yeah, it's actually like really good. I think I might stay here for longer. I feel very relaxed. So the question is, are his hands clean? I hope his hands are clean. In total, I got a biryani, pakola milk, ice cream, a pair of slippers, a hat, a bus ride, sugarcane juice, a flag, a rickshaw ride, a haircut, a sunset camel ride, and a head massage for $9.98. And that's what you can get for $10 in Pakistan.
It's not even cheap. It's dirt cheap.
You heard it from the man himself.
ये था हमारा आज का वीडियो. तो आप बताइएगा हमें कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा, और प्लीज़ कमेंट करके हमें बताइएगा, ताकि हम आपके जो भी राय है अपने कमेंट्स बॉक्स में शेयर कर सके बाकी दोस्तों से भी. उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. तो तब नेक्स्ट वीडियो को लेके हम लोग जल्द हाज़िर होंगे. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा.